Your brain doesn't slow down when you fast. It upgrades, and it happens minute by minute. We think food gives us energy, but the truth is, eating all day keeps your brain half asleep. When you stop eating, something ancient wakes up. A survival system built into your biology, a mode your ancestors lived in every day, but modern humans almost never touch. Today, we're breaking down exactly what happens inside your brain from the moment you stop eating to the moment your brain becomes sharper, faster, and more powerful than you've felt in years. Let's start the clock. The moment you finish your last bite, your brain is running on glucose, the quick-burn fuel. Your pancreas releases insulin. Your blood sugar rises. Your brain feels normal. But here's the twist. Glucose is dirty fuel. It burns fast. It creates metabolic smoke, oxidative stress inside your neurons. This is why after a big meal, you feel foggy, slow, unfocused. Your brain is literally swimming in exhaust fumes. Nothing special has happened yet. But the countdown has begun. Around hour 6, something interesting happens. Your blood sugar drops. Insulin falls. Your brain sends a signal. We're running low on quick fuel. The signal is ghrelin, the hunger hormone. Most people think hunger makes you weak, but biologically, hunger makes you smarter. Ghrelin increases dopamine, focus, motivation, alertness. Your brain is preparing you to hunt, to solve problems, and to find food. This is why you feel a strange clarity when you push past the first hunger wave. Your brain is turning on. Your glycogen, the quick fuel, is almost gone. Now your body makes a decision. Shut down or switch fuels. And because you're a survival machine, your body switches. Your liver begins converting stored fat into ketones, the brain's super fuel. Ketones are cleaner than glucose. They produce more energy with less waste. They reduce inflammation. They protect neurons. This is the moment people describe as the fog lifting, the focus snapping into place, the mental clarity hitting hard. Your brain is no longer running on yesterday's carbs. It's running on pure, clean, rocket fuel. Now we enter the phase neuroscientists are obsessed with. Fasting triggers a molecule called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor. BDNF is like fertilizer for your brain. It grows new neurons, strengthens existing ones, repairs damaged neural pathways, improves memory, boosts learning, protects against neurodegenerative disease. This is the moment your brain becomes plastic, flexible, adaptive, ready to rewire. If glucose is the brain's gasoline, BDNF is the brain's upgrade software. This is why fasting is linked to better memory, better mood, better focus, lower anxiety, lower depression. Your brain is literally rebuilding itself. Now, the deep cleaning begins. Autophagy, self-eating, switches on inside your neurons. Your brain begins hunting for damaged mitochondria, misfolded proteins, toxic waste, early Alzheimer's linked plaques, dead or dying cells. It wraps them in a membrane, dissolves them, and recycles them into fresh building blocks. This is the closest thing we have to a neural reset button. Your brain is cleaning house. This is why fasting is being studied for Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, dementia, traumatic brain injury, depression, anxiety. Your brain is repairing itself at the cellular level. Once you cross the 24-hour mark, your brain enters a state evolution designed for survival. You become sharper, faster, more focused, more motivated, more resilient. Your brain is running on ketones. Your neurons are protected by BDNF. Your cells are being cleaned by autophagy. Your inflammation is dropping. Your energy is stable. This is the hunter's brain, the mode your ancestors lived in every day. Not sluggish, not foggy, not tired, but wired, alert, and ready. When you fast, your brain gets cleaner. Your neurons get stronger. Your focus gets sharper. Your mood stabilizes. Your memory improves. Your inflammation drops. Your energy becomes steady. Your brain literally grows. Fasting isn't starving. It's upgrading. It's the biological reboot modern humans desperately need. You can live in the fog, or you can activate the brain nature designed for you. The brain that wakes up when you stop eating. The brain that thinks clearer, moves faster, and feels alive. If you've ever wondered why you feel sharper when you're hungry, this is why. Your brain isn't shutting down. It's turning on. Hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.